Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you to a new video from Msquare. I'm Marcus and maybe you know me from other videos. Today I will tell a little bit about our controllers, how you can control our heating blankets. For all applications we have different kind of controllers. I would like to start with the Red Mini. The Red Mini is for starters. So here you have two buttons where you can set the temperature, and in the display you see the target temperature and the set temperature. And in the middle there's a light, and here you can see if the temperature is reached or if the temperature is still increasing. For documentation you need another temperature logger. Now let's come to the Red Zero. The Red Zero is for quality conscious people, so the whole documentation takes place directly in the device. I think you know our heating blankets all have an integrated temperature sensor, and you can directly put the heating blanket on our device. And the whole documentation takes place here. You can control the device via your mobile phone, via your tablet and via your PC, because it's sending a Wi-Fi signal. And also over a distance of more than 100 meters you can connect to the device. So when you have installed it, for example on the blade, also from the ground, you can see the temperatures and can see if the temperature is still rising or if the temperature is in the holding phase. Later you can directly download the log file and use it for your documentation. And now let's come to the Red Zero Extended for experts. Red Zero Extended, because it's similar to the Red Zero, you can also connect directly a heating blanket on the device, but as a feature you can also put 4 additional temperature sensors, which you can use for your temperature measurement. For example, if you have an advanced repair with different materials like carbon fiber, glass fiber and also foam, you can use the thermocouples to position it directly on the different materials, and you can use this temperature information for the control. So you can do the control in the average, or you can control regarding the maximum temperature sensor. Additionally, you also have the possibility to measure the vacuum. So for example, if you do a vacuum bagging in your repair, here you can measure also the vacuum. And the whole documentation is also take place in this device. Like the Red Zero, you can also connect to the device with your mobile phone, tablet or PC, and you can also download later the log file. Here in the program you also can set different RAMs, and you also can store the recipes directly in your device. So I hope you got a good overview over all our controllers, and now if you have any questions and feedback, please use the comments or directly call us. See you next time when we are talking about our heating blankets. Bye bye!